English language workbook. Class 5. Page number 12.
Exercise B. Complete the following sentences by choosing the correct suffix given in the box below. ये आपको वर्ड बैंक दिया हुआ है. Shipful meant able. The sunset over the mountains was beautiful. Second, Zara did not take ownership of her work. Third, the new seats of our car are not comfortable. Number 4, my father has signed the final agreement of a new house. Number 5, Sana likes to be helpful. She cleans up the table after her meal. Number 6, I have another sheep cat named Milo. Number 7, I have a lovely relationship with my friend. Number 8, Hina's father showed his disappointment on her result.